Hi, this is Guttikonda. The focus of my presentation today is on business ethics considering cloud computing. Specifically, I would like to make a discussion on power consumption and carbon footprint. Now, I would like to explore a few questions like importance of this issue in the society, fundamental risks associated with it, and lastly, who is responsible to create awareness of this issue in the society. First, let us discuss what cloud computing is. The practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data, rather a local server or a personal computer, is cloud computing. The information that is collected is stored in large data centers across the world. These data centers are operated by various business firms which provide high-tech information to their customers. The cloud computing is definitely is a cutting edge technology, but the cloud computing is also responsible for the environment. So the data centers which are set up across the world are damaging the environment in many ways. Firstly, it is regarding the electricity consumed by them. As of now, around 50% of the world's total global electricity is being used by these data centers. And if this continues to grow like this, I don't think like it will be approximately 30% of the total world's global electricity will be used by these data centers by 2030. Now, let us talk about electricity. Electricity can be generated in two ways: clean and dirty electricity. The dirty ways of generating electricity are by using the non renewable energy resources like coal, petrol, and diesel, which are also less expensive. That is the reason these data centers are using this type of non renewable resources to generate electricity. So, what is the problem with these non renewable resources of electricity? So, the coal, petrol, and diesel they emit high amounts of carbon dioxide, which leads to the greenhouse effect by emitting more carbon dioxide into the electricity. If this goes on like this, the air will be polluted, the water will be polluted, and there will be many other things that the people have to face. Now, what is the remedy to this? The companies have to think of an alternative way to generate electricity, that is, the clean electricity. We can do this by using the renewable energy resources like wind or solar energy. So, the government and these companies have to get hand in hand to generate electricity in a clean way. They should see that the data centers are set up where there is excess of solar energy and wind electricity. The government should also take measures on how to track what electricity how much electricity is being used and what amount of carbon is being emitted by these companies per year. The companies also should be transparent, keeping in mind the regular usage of electricity and the emission of carbon for the better good of the world. Thank you.